Good day to our lecturer, Dr. Anwar. My name is Ng ZK with matrix number 286447. We are from Group 1, and today we would like to present our group project 2. And the department chosen is UUM Information Technology. UUMIT is the acronym of University Utara Malaysia Information Technology. With the visionary goal of becoming the best connected campus, UUMIT sets out on a mission to spread its innovations in information technology, fostering seamless communications within the university community. Since the University Utara Malaysia Information Technology Department plays a crucial role in ensuring the organization's effective utilization of information technology resources. It requires specialized cybersecurity and data protection training. The training is essential due to the following reasons. The UUMIT department faces security threats like phishing and ransomware, necessitating training to empower staff in recognizing and mitigating these risks effectively. Compliance with data protection law is crucial, and continuous training ensure the IT team stay updated on legal requirements, preventing legal consequences and safeguarding the university's reputations. Continuous training is essential to keep the IT team informed about evolving technologies, enabling them to adapt and implement the latest security measures in response to technological advancement. Training aligned with UUM's organizational strategies, recognizing the critical role of cybersecurity in maintaining the integrity of IT infrastructures, which is fundamental for the university day-to-day operations. Proactive training empower the IT team to anticipate and prevent security threats, contributing to the overall resilience of the university digital assets rather than reacting to incidents.
So, what is a training need assessment? A training need assessment is basically to identify the performance standards, knowledge, skills, and capabilities needed by an organization staff to satisfy certain goals. Through effective training need assessment, resources may be directed to regions with the greatest need. The review should consider the necessary resources to achieve the organization's goals, increase productivity, and provide high-quality products and also services. Identifying the gap between anticipated and actual performance is called a needs assessment. When a difference exists, it explores probable causes and solutions to close or remove it. There are a few forms of training need assessment are available for University Utara Malaysia Information Technology, or also known as UUMIT. It starts with organizational analysis and technology assessment. Evaluation of technology are used at the institution and those being developed. For academic and administrative tasks, it is crucial to select specialized software, systems, or instructional tools to be used. For instance, it is mapping academic technology. UUMIT must create academic relevant technologies. This comprises the UUM Student Portal, online learning, virtual tool, specialized instructional software, and also research or academic project tools. UUMIT is also responsible for investigating and identifying upcoming technologies and trends in higher education that are gaining popularity. It helps stay up with new innovations and trends. Otherwise is technology inventory training. All technical resources employed in the institution will be in inventory throughout the training. This includes physical components like department-specific tools. It may start by categorizing the inventory. Inventory should be split into hardware, software, databases, and also specialist tools. This may improve inventory management and also organization management. Since University Utara Malaysia, a top management institution, it should undertake training to promote efficient management within its tiny departments. UUMIT also requires training for IT budgeting, or also known as budget and resource allocation. Considering the financial and resource implications of upgrading or replacing the existing technology is crucial for budgeting and resource allocation. The department head uses analysis to decide whether investments are really necessary to maintain technological competitiveness and fulfill educational goals. IT budgeting guarantees precise and strategic allocation of funding for IT operations. Now, let us take a look on task analysis. Through task analysis, the department analyzes academic demands which requires assessing classroom technologies, e-learning platforms, student information system, and research tools. Assessing staff proficiency in utilizing and supporting these technologies is critical. For example, UMIT handles student data. The training may educate how to analyze the student information system, which oversees enrollment, grading, and academic progress. UMIT must guarantee the system fulfills University Utara Malaysia regulations and assists academic administration. UMIT also should identify areas where administrative workers might benefit from new skills or system changes. Task analysis includes programming and development. Proficiency in university-relevant programming languages, including Java, Python, JavaScript, and others for software development and system scripting. Setups, protocols, routing, switching, wireless technologies, and network securities are essential for networking ability. System administration involves installing, configuring, maintaining, and troubleshooting operating system, which most of the MIT staff should master it. Knowing principles, best practices, threat detection, incident response, risk assessment, and how to secure university systems and data are cybersecurity skills. Cybersecurity skills is essential for universities to safeguard data, IP, and infrastructure. Cloud-based are used access enhances infrastructure security in this organization. So let's move on to the last one, a person analysis. A person analysis is basically to evaluate required performance requirements, identify person who need training, and determine the appropriate training type. Employee competence and motivation are assessed to determine whether training best or not. Selection methods should be evaluated the qualifications, skill sets, experience, and participants' goal, and as well as soft skills. Training needs are considered while selecting participants. IT manager may assess training needs to identify skill gaps, competency requirements, and also areas of most benefits. This research identifies individuals or teams that might benefit most from certain training regimens. Participants are selected depending on their career and tasks. The department head may review IT department personnel roles and tasks, identify roles requiring immediate skill upgrade or training to effectively perform their duties. Effective training courses need worker preparation to maximize effectiveness and impact. To guarantee participants' preparations, the trainer needs to provide a clear objectives and expected results. Training provider must communicate the program's goals, objective, and expected result to staff. So that's all from me. Thank you. I'll pass to the next presenter to continue the presentation.
Greetings, sir. I'm Ashita Roshni here. So I'll be explaining about training lesson plan. Our group decided to make a training, or it can be said as a workshop session 2 for UMIT staff. So we decided this workshop after we interviewed the UMIT staff. The workshop that we plan is on cybersecurity and data protection. We come to point where that UMIT staff have to develop their knowledge in this particular area. They have to keep learning it because world IT is keep upgrading. So keep providing this kind of activity workshop help them to serve better for especially the students. So the length of lesson will be around 3 hours of session, and it will be a face-to-face training session at SMMTC lab in where SMMTC lab is completed with all the equipments like computers, PCs, projectors, and so on. This is a hands-on training workshop. The training objective is to make UMIT staff learn more knowledge about cyber threats, learn more the laws of governing data protection, and provide staff the best practices. The target audience are, of course, the staff who are really in certain roles in UMIT, like application developers, database administrators, and so on. Move on to the prerequisite. The UMIT staff must have the desire to learn, and of course the instructor will be chosen for his professional expertise, which can bring useful insight for UMIT staff. So that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to next presenter.
I will continue the training plan with the next point, which is instructor requirement. The instructor should be qualified and have a solid understanding of cybersecurity techniques, technology, and also principle. Furthermore, an experienced instructor should be able to provide learners with useful insight and solution because they will have actual experience to dealing with real-life world security difficulties. For the next point is room arrangement. And the room arrangement for this training is similar to the figure above. We choose this kind of room because the trainers are easy to monitor while giving instruction about cybersecurity and also data protection. Next, we move to the materials and equipment needed for this training, such as participant PCs. Each participant must have their own PC, and then a projector, a microphone, PowerPoint presentation, handouts, and also reliable access to the internet and specialized cybersecurity tools are all necessary for this training. Next point is lesson outline, instructor activity, trainee activity, and also times. There are some lesson outline in this training, which is introduction to cybersecurity and data protection, understanding the cybersecurity basics, fundamental of data protection, network security, incident response, and handling, and also the last one is conclusion and Q&A. The duration needed in this training is almost 3 hours, including for the rest time. The last point we have is evaluation. During this training, we can evaluate the UMIT staff as well, starting with pre-training evaluation. The goal is to use interview or quizzes to determine participant prior knowledge. Throughout this training, formative assessment consists of talk, quizzes, and fast feedback to track improvement. So the efficacy and continuous enhancement of the cybersecurity training program are guaranteed by this through evaluation procedure. That's all from me.
Next, I am going to explain about the elements that facilitate the transfer of learning. First of all, it's about the size of participants, which we limit to only 15% per session. This small group approach will allow the trainers to offer the personalized attention to each of the participants, and the participants could also gain benefits from it because they could interact directly with the trainers, and and they could ask any questions or seek clarifications regarding the cybersecurity and data protection during the training. The training will be conducted face-to-face at Computer Lab of SMMTC. The selection of training site and training room is determined by the requirement of training itself. The face-to-face training can help the trainers to observe the body language and facial expressions of the participants, which helps them provide the valuable insights into their comprehension. So the trainers can understand better whether could see whether the participants understand or not about the training itself. Meanwhile, the computer lab of SMMTC is well equipped with the complete PC sets, which could help the participants to immerse themselves in the practical learning of cybersecurity and data protection training.
To sum up, the UMIT Department's trainings program is more than just addressing skill gaps. It is a strategic investment in ongoing excellence. Aligned with the university's strategies, it focuses on practical applications, collaborations, and adapting to evolving technology. With a commitment to resources and modern training methods, the program ensures the IT team stays skilled and ready for the future, contributing significantly to the university's success through innovations and technological excellence. That's all from our group. Thank you.